Most people get this wrong when they switch CRM software. They spend weeks comparing features, watching reviews, and reading comparison articles. But here's the truth, no one tells you. The decision usually comes down to one question. What is the biggest problem in your business right now? For me, that's exactly why I switched from Jobber to QuoteIQ. In this video, I'll explain what pushed me to make the change, what Jobber did well, what I felt was missing for my business, and why QuoteIQ ended up being the better fit. Let's get straight into it. First, I want to make something clear. Jobber is a solid platform. In fact, one of its biggest strengths is operational management. It helps businesses handle scheduling, quoting, invoicing, customer records, and team coordination in a clean and organized way. When I started using Jobber, those features made a real difference. Jobs were easier to manage. Customer information was centralized. Day-to-day operations became much smoother. For many service businesses, that's exactly what they need. But here's the problem. As my business grew, organization stopped being my biggest challenge. Growth became my biggest challenge. And those are two very different things. Imagine Alex owns a landscaping company. At first he struggles with scheduling jobs and keeping track of customers. A platform like Jobber solves those problems. But once those systems are in place, Alex starts asking different questions. How do I get more repeat customers? How do I generate more reviews? How do I stay in front of customers after the job is complete? How do I increase customer lifetime value? Those questions eventually became more important than scheduling and invoicing. Now here's where it gets interesting. I realized that many of my best opportunities weren't coming from new leads. They were coming from customers I had already served. That's when customer retention became a major focus. QuoteIQ caught my attention because of its emphasis on automated follow-ups, customer communication, review generation, and reactivation campaigns. Instead of only helping manage jobs, it helped create opportunities for additional business. In a minute, I'll tell you the biggest lesson I learned from making the switch. But first, let's talk about what most business owners get wrong. This is where most people fail. They assume switching software will magically solve every problem. It won't. Software only works when it aligns with your biggest business objective. If your biggest challenge is operational efficiency, Jobber may still be the better choice. If your biggest challenge is customer retention and maximizing existing relationships, a platform focused on engagement may provide more value. The biggest lesson I learned was simple. The best CRM isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that supports your current growth stage. Jobber helped me solve operational challenges. QuoteIQ aligned more closely with my focus on customer retention and long-term revenue growth. Neither platform was objectively better. They were built to solve different problems. If you're considering a similar switch, identify your biggest bottleneck before comparing software. That one step can save you time, money, and frustration. If this video helped you understand the difference, hit the like button, subscribe for more CRM and home service business insights, and let me know in the comments whether you're currently using Jobber, QuoteIQ, or considering a switch.